Current HEX cost in a real sense is $0.032. HEX falls 0.29% in 7 days. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. HEX cost examination by and large is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. First help level for HEX fundamentally is at $0.030, which in a real sense is very huge. 13 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, generally clarified pressing issues, facts. What sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for HEX? By and large is HEX a genuinely wise venture, which in a real sense, is very critical. HEX help and opposition levels and so on in an especially significant manner. In any case prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the HEX specialized examination, basically let us for the most part, discuss the very current economic situations, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416, which especially is very huge. The especially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $31,315,169,849, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how HEX cost investigation generally is negative today, which is genuinely huge, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29%, or so they especially thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29%. Which explicitly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span in an especially significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents. Which sort of shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span in a significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an exceptionally descending course for genuinely present moment, which fundamentally is very huge. Right now, an especially broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a significant way. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers especially become genuinely more beautiful dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really shows that as of now, an extremely broad in every practical sense, negative plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally large manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of HEX. HEX execution. The day-to-day diagram of HEX, by and large shows that the HEX cost generally has a really descending development, with a 1.19% lessening in essentially beyond 24 hours, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the HEX coin certainly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which generally shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29% in every way that really matters, huge way. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which by and large is very huge. HEX value examination HEX cost investigation for 13 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that the value worth of the HEX coin most certainly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which really shows what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level. After a decay of 0.29% in a sort of large manner, we use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the HEX, which sort of is very huge. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. HEX financial backers need to for the most part hang tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday graph, exhibiting that HEX financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day outline, which explicitly is genuinely huge. HEX generally has a fundamentally the closest obstruction of $0.036, which for the most part is very critical. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would generally help the upswing energy, exhibiting how XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which especially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58. Following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span in an essentially significant manner, the purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039. Showing that HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely huge. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers basically betray the HEX, the most certainly bears could handle the market and sort of take HEX cost underneath the urgent help level of $0.030, which especially is